Hi, this is my review for Street Fighter V Championship Edition for the PlayStation 4. Definitely recommend this game if you're a Street Fighter fan. Here's the front and the back of the cover. Just you can see a little bit up close at the front. So there's several versions of Street Fighter V that are out. I highly recommend this one. This was the last one that came out on disc that has a lot of content. The first one was just like the base game, and then they had this edition, and there was a previous one. I forget what it was called, but highly recommend this one. It's pretty good. Has a lot of content. It doesn't have all the content from Street Fighter V. You still have to purchase some other ones, like some other DLC and some other characters and stuff. But it comes with plenty. If you're a Street Fighter fan, you definitely have all the usual characters like Ryu and Ken and Chun-Li, and have lots of new characters. The graphics are great. The online gameplay is fun. It can be challenging because there's a lot of really good players out there. So definitely give it a try if you're a fan. If you've never played Street Fighter V and you've only played the previous titles, this one's really, really good. It's really fun. It's addicting. Especially try it out online. They kind of try to rank you with, characters, players that aren't like super high up, so you kind of have a decent challenge. And it also has like a story mode. But yeah, there's plenty to do here, and there's so many characters. They really gave you this. They'll have over 40 characters. They have 40 characters, and that's just 40. And then you can purchase more through their DLC and all of that. But yeah, this game gives you lots to do. So definitely give it a try. And you can see here is how it comes with the upgrade kit and the CD. So yeah, so it's great. So it gives you 24 fighters, 23 stages, 200 costumes, and more. So that's the code that comes with the game. So you don't see the code there; it's on the other side. But yeah, so definitely make sure that you get one that comes with the code and the code is not used. But yeah, that's basically my review, and hope you enjoyed it.